I joined the college in April 2017, so been with the college for about 18 months now. One of the main things I had to think about when I started at the college, and one of the main things I had to look at, was fire risk assessment. The project for Evac+Chair came about because I had the meeting with the ALS team, and they said they had some concerns about evacuating students with mobility issues from the college. And it just so happened that Evac International would do a free survey for you. So somebody would come out, do a survey of your site and give you some help and advice. And so that kind of triggered a whole review of fire safety within the college. I've had experience of Evac+Chairs in places where I worked for before, and it's always been my first choice for an evacuation chair because they are so easy to use. The balance on them is incredible. The sledge effect where they go down the stairs is great. The servicing is good. They come around and service them. And they even supply a little training DVD with each chair, which you can show people. Everybody who I've ever used an Evac+Chair with, so whether it be staff or students, is always amazed at how easy they are to use, how safe the student or the person in the chair feels, and how relatively easy it is to get somebody from the top of the stairs down to the bottom safely and comfortably. So I would always recommend Evac+Chair because the service we've had from them has been second to none. Because of this whole procedure that we've been through, I now feel that the City of Bristol College is a much safer place for students to come to.